Hi, I'm Simon Strudwick, and I prepared this e-learning demo using Articulate 360 in 2018 for the BC Liquor Distribution Branch. The client, who was looking to start incorporating e-learning into their training, asked me to create some examples of customized interactions for their environment. What I'm going to show you took me 8 hours to build, and there was a further version which took another 4 hours to build that had some sound effects and other finishing touches. Some of the timings were a little bit tighter. I would keep improving something like this forever if I was given more time, but this is just a quick demo, and at some point you got to draw the line, so let's get started. Okay, so right here I'll use my name. Hi, Jake. Welcome to Delta. So we'll be removing the warehouse to Delta. So this is our learning objectives. What is WMS? So this is one of the places it could be a little bit quicker there. What does it do? Oh yeah, and the sound effects I put in here were really cheesy. I'd probably go back and change that. It's just as well you're not hearing them. Anyways, I built in some navigation too, so you can go backwards and review the lesson again. You can go forwards. Right, got it. So let's try the test. And we'll do a wrong answer. Come on. Okay, we'll give him the right answer. Let's do this properly. Okay. Disclaimer here, I would have written better questions if this had actually been for students, but this is just a demo, so bear with me. Anyways, quiz results. Let's move on. So you see here, he's telling me to type Simon because I told him my name earlier on. So it's not Sam, we'll do Simon, and then press tab. And I actually made this case sensitive. So if I had typed in the password like this, it would tell me it was wrong. So I put in some little features like that. We're not going to catch all of them in this little walkthrough, but I tried to think of some things that would help people develop good habits while they were training. Now, the purpose of this screen here is to give people the opportunity to explore a little bit. So you can actually click around on the screen and check out a few things. And the little guy in the corner tells you about what we're looking at. I even built in this, like we got a little mini lesson here. Let me try. So I built it in, so we type store and press enter. It'll give you your search results here. You can see why I call it a mini game. Anyways, carry on. So there's a few things. You click around, you see what things do, and eventually the idea is you're going to click log out and find the escape route. Now I do build little things in here, like if you take more than 5 minutes, it'll present you with this option as well. But that was enough for me, so let's carry on. Okay, so we've learned about WMS, we've logged into WMS. Let's try the scanner. Show me the scanner. Okay, so let's see it. So what I did here was I built a functioning scanner. This is like the scanner options they're going to be using, but they didn't have these scanners yet. If you click the wrong buttons that are different from what he says, it gives you error messages. And this thing's fully programmable, so I'd have been able to pull this out of here later on and put this or something like this into other e-learning with all of the functionality. Anyways, let's do what he says here. Yeah. You see up here, it gives me the thing. Oh, and it took me too long to complete these instructions, so it's given me some guidance here. So I hit 2. It actually showed me the 2 up at the top. I'm going to hit enter, color-coded to the instruction. Enter. And let's just follow his instructions. Hit 1. 1, of course, appears up there. Enter. And let's get something to scan. All right, so here's an interaction. So after they'd type those things on the screen, they'd have to take their scanner. They scan the barcode. So I built that in. So they're kind of mimicking what they would actually do in the real environment, pressing the same buttons in the same sequence. So we've picked this up on our forklift, so we're going to hit next. It tells us where we're going to go, 4923T9, so that's their code for where it's going. And I built this little thing for them. We're actually going to drive the forklift over to the location. I hope you'll bear in mind it's a little bit cheesy again. I did build this in one day. So move this forklift over there, so that's where we needed to drive to. And then we lift the package up on our forks to where it's supposed to go. And we're going to go ahead and scan the barcode. So there we go. So it follows the instructions. It's just they would have to do it in their environment. So next, and that's the end of our demo. So I know what I'm doing, and thank you for your time. I hope that you'll get a chance to share more of my work with you later, and bye-bye for now.